How to write with both fonts on your Facebook timeline. Have you been wondering how to write like this on your Facebook timeline? If you are among this person, then follow me as I show you how you can do this without any stress. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and possibly share. Let's get started. Having opened your Facebook profile, you already know how to get to this place. So write your text and then copy it. Rather, I am cutting it, cut it. Go to your Chrome browser and then type capitalize my title.com. See it there, and then once it comes, you will see something like this voltage generator. The next thing that you do, you just paste there your text, that place you are seeing there now. You will paste it. Once you paste the text there, next thing you'll be doing, you will now choose the one that you want, whether it's bold italics, upside down, anyhow you want it. You see, are you seeing those things that I use arrow to show you? Now I'm clicking on bold. I want to select bold. Now I have selected bold. Once you selected that bold, look down. You will see the place the arrow is pointed. It will come there and show. Then the next thing you will do, just copy. Copy it. Go back to your Facebook wall. I have minimized. Go back to your Facebook wall and then paste it there. And I know you'll be wondering, what can you do with the both fonts? Well, that is why I'm here. Number one, it will increase your visibility. 2, it will help you stand out amongst your competitors.